Hi guys, I will open for you, at least I will try to open this 4-pin display lock. I hung it a little bit strange here on the vise, but if I do it any other way, it will catch on the vise and I will not be able to fully rotate the lock. So let's have a look and hopefully I will be able to pick it without getting much in your way. So starting from the front, that was number 1. That is number 2. Yeah, that was number 2 again. Felt a little bit like a spool. So number 3. I think it's not tight enough on the vise. I don't want to make it too tight though. And 5. Okay, I dropped it, but it's open. So that's the small 4-pin display lock that I got from our lockpicking community in Vienna, and well, it's a nice little lock. Good. Okay guys, thanks for watching and keep it legal. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.